Okay, so, ano mo daw? Ako, finally, nag-start na dyan ko og script. Ay, normally, kung mag-himo ang mga videos, maka-make up lang og words ba, pero, maingon na ning ang character kay Kuan. I can finally rest my ass off work. It's so nice me taking a rest. I do not like work anyways. I would like to order a pizza, but I can't find my phone. Then kanina character. Oh, you can't find your phone because you don't have one. Oh yeah, right. I don't have a phone. Huh? Sir? You don't have a phone. Haha, she doesn't have a phone. It's not nice. Gato siya, wala to na-appeal sa screen. Kapilingan siya. It's not nice. You don't have a phone either. Then, pero ganun siya, wala sa nila na-appeal sa script. Pero, what's that charging over there? Then, camera ipan over, anak. Wakita, dito ko na ako. Kaya rin ko din mag-take please.
Okay, kanta ilagi diri.